Hey there, Lammies! Welcome to an Animal of the Day video. We're gonna learn about some cool animals and how awesome they are and all kinds of animal things. Alright, Lammies, let's get started with our first Animal of the Day video. Alright, Lammies, let's get a drum roll. Today's Animal of the Day is the mountain zebra. The mountain zebra is found in both western and southeastern South Africa. It is well adapted to harsh and dry conditions and can survive up to 3 days without water. Later, when searching for water, it may dig down as far as 3 feet in a riverbed. Alright, so let's see what the mountain zebra is like in the wild. So the mountain zebra lives in what's called grasslands. And because of this, he's a very good climber. Sometimes in grasslands, there's lots of rocky areas where an animal might need to climb up, and zebras are very good at this. Zebras live in small herds. Do you guys remember what a herd is? That means it's a group of the same animal that likes to be together. Sometimes they'll even have antelopes in their group. How crazy is that? A herd of zebras will usually include about 7 adult zebras and however many babies that they have. So let's talk about mountain zebras' food and how they get their food. So the mountain zebra is a herbivore, meaning he only eats plants. They spend a big majority of their day grazing grass from the grasslands. They also eat bark, leaves, buds, and fruit off of trees. He has sharp front teeth to help him cut the grass and kind of break up different foods. So let's talk about zebra mommies and their babies. When a zebra mommy has a baby, she only has about 1 at a time. He can stand up on his feet within an hour of being born. After a few hours, he's ready to move around with his herd. So zebras do have to deal with some predators. The most famous predator that they have to deal with is the lion. So that's why it's very important to zebras to stay in a herd. They can work together to protect themselves. They also can run very, very fast. So they've figured out good ways to get away from lions if they need to. All right, let's learn some fun facts about our friend, the mountain zebra. So, did you know that there are 3 species of zebras, and they're all more closely related to each other than they are to horses? You know zebras will spend about 60 to 80% of their day eating grass. That's all that they do. To give you guys a good idea of what that might be like, think about this at your house from the time you eat breakfast to about the time you eat dinner. They spend all of that time hanging out and eating grass. Zebras are not really tall. Up to about their shoulders, they're only about 3 to 4 feet tall. But from their head to their tail, they are about 7 feet long. So they're a shorter animal with a longer body. So unfortunately, like some of our animals, zebras are endangered. But don't worry, there are a lot of conservation efforts to help them. They've actually increased the species of zebra by about 2,000 in the world. That's a really good thing, and that's because of people who care so much about animals that they dedicate their lives to helping them. How cool is that? All right, and there's one more thing we forgot to mention about zebras, probably the most obvious thing, the zebra's stripes. Lammies at home, I want you to take a second. Hold up your pointer finger and take a good look at it. Do you see your fingerprints? Did you know that zebra stripes are kind of like zebra fingerprints? No zebra looks exactly the same. Big debate in the world about zebras. Are zebras white with black stripes, or are zebras black with white stripes? Personally, Miss Nika thinks they're white with black stripes, but it's really hard to tell exactly because their stripes are so all over the place, I guess. Lammies, that was so much fun learning all about the zebras. I really liked learning that zebras spend about 80% of their day eating grass. I also really liked learning that zebras travel in herds to protect themselves from predators. I really liked learning that no 2 zebras have the same stripes. They all look just a little bit different. How cool is that? You can send me 3 things you enjoyed learning on the Lambs Class email account or on the Lambs Class Facebook page. All right, Lammies, I'll have another great animal for you tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!